Hello. Welcome to TenorShare channel. If your iPhone storage is full and it doesn't start up, it will show like this, stuck on Apple logo and doesn't turn on. People may get upset because they're afraid of losing all the data on their iPhone. No worries, today I'll show you 3 methods to get back your iPhone without losing any data. Method 1, try to force restart your iPhone. Here we use iPhone 10 for example. Press and release volume up, and volume down, and press and hold the side button until your iPhone restart. But after that, if it's still stuck on the Apple logo, you should turn to method 2 or 3. Let's move on to method 2, update or restore your iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer. We need to put your iPhone into recovery mode before we start. Press and release volume up, then volume down. Press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see Connect to iTunes logo. Then launch iTunes. It says your iPhone is required to be updated or restored. Here I suggest you to choose update because restore is to erase all the content on your iPhone. This won't be a good choice if you didn't back up your iPhone on this computer. Click update, then iTunes will get your iPhone back. But if you have problems using iTunes or you are unable to choose to update through iTunes, I strongly recommend you to try method 3, use Ryboot to fix your iPhone, without losing any data. You can download Ryboot from the link in description below. Launch it, and connect your iPhone which it's already in recovery mode. Choose Repair Operating System. Click Fix Now. And download the firmware. Once the download is finished, you can click Repair Now. And Ryboot will start to repair your iPhone. Well done. Let's check the iPhone. The former data is still on your iPhone. That means we make it. For more tutorials, you can subscribe us, or go to tenorshair.com, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.